Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we have some leaked pets along with a leaked Mythical Epic to look at, and we also have a potential new bar down here, so let's get into the video. Alright, so here is the first leaked thing that we have to look at. This is a new pet. It is supposed to be in the bitbot chain. I'm pretty sure just based off of what it looks like a lot like it's going to be in the bitbot chain. So this is the first evolution, and then here's the spine for it. It looks like it's sort of going to be kind of like an aquarium, and then we have this squid right here, which I don't know what that's going to be for. And then here is the second evolution of it. I think this is Bashbot. And then here is the spine for it. And then here is Batterbot. This one looks, I think Batterbot. This is what it looks like. It looks super cool. And then here is the spine for it. So I'm not 100% sure when these are going to come out. I sort of think they're going to come out with the next treasure track, which will be in a couple of days. This could also just be something that they release into the world. I don't really know. We'll just have to wait and see. But I think that it looks really cool. Alright, so here is our next leak. This is a big one. This is a new Mythical Epic. It should be a Murahawk variant. So here is the icon for it. This is icon follow number 309. Its pet ID, I'm pretty sure, is 298. So here is the spine for it. So you can see it is pet 298. You can see that it has wings, a lot like Murahawk. It has this, I assume this is the body or the head. Actually, this is probably the head, so that would make this the body. I really like how this looks. It sort of looks like a parakeet or something like that. Sort of like the bird that's in the movie Rio. I can't remember its name. But we also have its hero pose right here. So this is the hero pose with all the other ones. And here is it by itself. And here is the coolest image of it. This is going to be called Intitalk or something like that, which sort of, I guess, would go along for it being a parrot, because parrots can sort of talk. So you can see it has a blue beak. I really like the color scheme for this. It also has the tail with a snake, which pretty much guarantees that this is going to be a Murahawk variant, which means I pretty much think that we have a variant for almost every single Mythical Epic except for Lavama. But yeah, this is an extremely cool Mythical Epic. Hopefully we are going to be getting this in the next treasure track. That would be super exciting, because we have not gotten a Mythical Epic or a new one in probably about a year since we got Lavama. And here we go. These are called this one's called HUD Backpack. These are all going to be HUDs. I think I looked it up and it was like heads up something. It means heads up display. So here is the backpack. It's green. The current one we have is brown. I think that these are going to be replacing the icons that we have on the hotbar at the bottom. And then here's the next one. This one is called Daily Goals. I don't think this one's actually going to be something that we see on the hotbar. We already have this in the right-hand corner. So they could add it onto the hotbar, but I don't think they will. Next up, we have duels. So I guess this would probably be replacing the trophy icon. Now, I just want to make clear that these are not 100% confirmed coming to replace the hotbar icons that we currently have. I'm sort of just speculating on this, because I really don't know. Next up, we have one that's the map. So this one looks really cool. The current one we have is just like brown and tan. This one has some actual color in it and like a locator. We also have the member one, which is just that. There's also an ultimate member one. We'll get to that in a few seconds. Here is parent gifts. They don't really do, or yeah, I guess they do still do that. They sort of changed how they do it though. They used to like do some reward like a year ago. I could be remembering that wrong. but I don't think that this is going to be one of the ones that you'd see on the hotbar, which is again why it leads me to think that it's not going to be on the hotbar, but I don't really know what it's going to be used for. But we also have Pet Book 1, which again would lead me to think that it's going to be on the hotbar, so I don't really know at this point. This next one is super cool. This one is just called Rifts. It's the rift that you see in Dragon Isle. I really like how this looks. And then we have this one. This one is like slightly bigger than all the other ones, and it's called Shop, and it has some magic coin and a normal coin in it. I think this one would probably be a little too big to have in the hotbar, which again leads me to think that this won't be for the hotbar. And then we have one for the treasure track, which this one's just called Treasure Track. We have one called Ultra Membership, which is just an Ultra Membership icon. We also have one for Wizard Dash, which looks like this. And then the final one that we have to look at is not for a hotbar or anything, because this isn't 100% confirmed to be a hotbar, but this is called Showcase Box Sliced. So I think this is for like rewards that you're getting. You sort of see this inside of the Wizard Dash, but I guess it would probably only fit in Wizard Dash, so I don't really know where else it would go. But yeah, we got some really cool leaks today. I really hope that the Mythical Epic, which is definitely the most interesting thing that we got, I really hope that that comes in the next treasure track, which should be coming in just a few days, probably like 11 or 12 days, which is pretty exciting. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. I also posted a video on the new pet merge update, which has come out today, so make sure to go check out that if you haven't already. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.